Do you know what is India's biggest contribution to the world? No, it's not information technology. It's the spiritual wisdom and practices. Steve Jobs came looking for it. Mark Zuckerberg found it here. Julia Roberts found her true purpose here. Many have come to this land, searching for the real meaning of life, to find peace, calm, and serenity. Don't worry, you don't have to go to the Himalayas looking for it. Happiitude now brings this wisdom to you online. Learn and make it a career. Mindfulness in action. Mindfulness is not just a 15-minute morning practice, it's a way of being. Acquire this Eastern wisdom from the experts who have taught thousands from over 50 countries. Join the 6-week journey with Happiitude, a global leader in happiness and mindfulness. 50 plus tools and activities, 10 plus meditations, practices, rituals, and much more. Learn, practice, and teach the world. Become a certified mindfulness coach and conduct your own classes. The world is waiting for you. Join the global tribe now.